Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm sharing my experience of growing a Rio Red. See that? The Rio Red grapefruit, the semi-dwarf. You can buy this from Home Depot. My wife bought it from Home Depot for $35. And these grapefruits, almost 2 years from the day that we bought it, and now it's bearing fruits. As you see, it is unhealthy. Look how big it is. These are grapefruits. This is a Rio Red grapefruit, a semi-dwarf. Actually, this is a grafted. As you see, I planted and put it to the pot that you can buy from Home Depot as well. Lowe's basically sell similar to this Rio grape, and Walmart I don't see some Rio Red grapefruits, but they carry lemon grafted tree as well. And we came across to see this at Home Depot like a couple of years ago, and we started to plant this, and now I already have a good result. This fruits has more fruits before, but unfortunately Las Vegas got struck by strong wind. Sometimes strong winds happen in Las Vegas. You can see to my YouTube video the strong wind in Las Vegas. Search it and you'll see what I'm saying. The strong winds affect the plant grafted tree like this, because once it started to bearing fruits, the fruits like this, the small fruits, it's gonna fall off because of the strong wind. But still, this tree holding up pretty well, and as you see, it has 3 grapefruits, and the color is really nice. I don't know the taste. Never try to taste a grapefruit like this, but if you guys are looking for a nice plant or a nice grafted tree that you want to start, I highly recommend you guys buy a Rio grapefruits from Home Depot or either Lowe's. I don't think that Walmart carry this type of grafted tree. For only $35, you will not get wrong for this type of grafted trees. In Las Vegas, I will not recommend you guys to start getting the cherry. I had like 3 of those cherry before, but it died because of the intense heat in Las Vegas. It won't survive. But this type of citrus Rio Red grapefruits, it survived pretty well, and it has as you see, it has a fruits right now. It is really beautiful as you look at it, and it's a very juicy. If you touch it, you can feel the juice inside of this fruit. But I never try to taste this one, the Rio Red grapefruits, but I like grapefruits as well. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching my YouTube channel. If you guys come across and you stopping by to my channel, and if you found my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment down below. Again, this is a Rio Red. See, the Rio Red grapefruits semi-dwarf from Home Depot, $35. Able to survive in Las Vegas temperature. Now is January 1st, 2025, first day of the month of January, and I make this video to share for those people who love planting grafted trees and wants to start to plant to the pot. And if you don't have any big space, you can start with this type of grafted trees. I recommend you guys buy lemon or this type of a citrus grafted tree like the Rio Red, and it can survive. And these are some of my pots that I planted, and have malunggay. See, planted malunggay. Some citrus to the side as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. May God bless you all. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Bye for now. God bless.